Designed to work in the Xerox Phase 6125, 6128 MFP, 6130 printer/copiers. Provide best quality. Ensure outstanding copy clarity and machine reliability in even the most demanding environments. Oem Miscellaneous 30,000. Xerox Phaser 6600 WorkCentre 6605 MFP Waste Cartridge, 30,000 yield. Xerox Phaser 6600 WorkCentre 6605 MFP Waste Cartridge, 30,000 yield. Genuine Xerox supplies assure you of the best quality output from your Xerox printer. Always use only Xerox supplies in your Xerox printers, copiers, fax machines and multifunction products. Xerox Phaser 6600 WorkCentre 6605 MFP Waste Cartridge, 30,000 yield. Oem Miscellaneous 30,000. Top reviews from the United States. Xerox Product at Xerox price. Of course, it's a pity that you cannot just empty excess toner into a bag and reuse the cassette, but like all printer manufacturers, Xerox needs to sell replacement products to subsidize the printer's low cost. This is a genuine Xerox product at the same price Xerox charges on its website. The advantage here is Amazon ordering ease and fast, free Prime delivery,